The sister who can drive picks up the others, keeping the Pontiac chugging in each driveway, while one or the other puts her overshoes on and steps out, pulling her door shut with a click, the wind lifting her white cotton scarf. "We have no business to be out in such a storm," one or the other says, "no business at all." But the wind takes her words and swirls them like snow across the windshield. It's on to the next house, the next sister. At the last house, they play canasta. The deuces wild even as they were in childhood. The wind blowing through the empty apple trees, the shadows of bumper crops. They're kids again, planning a prank in a farmhouse when a salesman gets out of his car with a briefcase. "Let's drape a sheet over Margaret's head. Margaret will do it. Our ghost bobbing and moaning in the doorway in broad daylight. We got rid of that one. Bring on the next one. We're rascals, sure as barnyard dogs. We're wild card players." The snow thickens, the coffee perks, and nothing is lost if it can be retold. "We'll have to quit someday," one or the other says. "We're getting up there in the years. We will have to quit someday. But today, deal, sister, deal."